Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to link Khan Academy and the College Board. First, log into or create your Khan Academy account. Then go to satpractice.org. Next, click the green button labeled Check It Out Now. Sign in with Gmail or Facebook or click Sign Up with Email. If you click Sign in with Gmail or Facebook, enter your username and password for either of these accounts and you are signed in. If you click Sign Up with Email, enter in first name, last name, email, birth date, and click Sign Up. An email will be sent to your account to verify and sign into your email. Next, open the email from the Khan Academy accounts and click on the Finish Signing Up button. A welcome screen will appear where you will enter your username and password and click Sign Up. You have logged into Khan Academy for the first time and will be asked if you would like to send PSAT results. If you already have a Khan Academy account, a prompt will appear asking if you want to send your PSAT results to Khan Academy. After choosing that option, you will be directed to collegeboard.org. Now sign into your College Board account. If you do not have a College Board account, click Sign Up to create one. The steps for creating a College Board account are: click on the Sign Up blue box. Then fill in the fields to create your student account, ensuring all information is correct. Now click Next at the bottom when all fields are completed. You are now signed in. After successfully logging into your College Board account, you will be asked for permission to link your accounts. After clicking Send, you will be redirected to SAT Practice on the Khan Academy site. You can remove the links at any time by clicking on Revoke, which is found in College Board account settings. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.